Hi, in today's video, I'm going to share some tips how we can help students enjoy the education and show more love and genuine love for learning and grasp more information, whether you are a student, a mentor, a parent, or even a teacher. I hope these tips will make a big difference. First thing I would suggest is make the topics much more relevant for students. Let's say if you go to study maths, make it like relevant to their lifestyle, to their goals, connect with life. Don't just focus on theory, because especially maths and physics, because students, this is what people hate maths and physics, because they don't understand it. They can't link it to their life. They can't see it through the reality. Basically, try to link it because it's basic and it's easy once you link it. Second thing is make everything simple. Speak students' language. I know as a teacher you got maybe curriculum to follow, we got some rules, which is really good and I appreciate that, but sometimes you have to break down them rules. You have to make it easy. You have to speak student language. Don't make it overcomplicated. You got enough complicated words or scientific words you have to use and you have to say, but try to simplify it, try to make it easy and speak student language. The third thing I would suggest and highly suggest, always encourage students to ask. The main thing I've learned, and which was really important when I was at uni studying maths, from really big teachers, they show us we always need to ask why. For everything we have to ask why. If you show us anything topic, whatever we need to do, we have to ask why, because by asking why this happened or why we have to do this, we have to write this, that means I can set deep down. Once I understand it from the roots, from the basics, I can enjoy it, as well as I linked it to my life, to my goals, and make it simple. This is what I would suggest and I recommend, is asking why, and the teacher have to be ready to give the right answer, not just asking why from the student and the teacher didn't know what to say. I have to basically give any answer for students and then keep students with that question mark in his head. Always ask why. And the last topic, which is it's really important, is left it till the end, is the well-being and mental health. Whatever you are, student, parent, mentor, teacher, well-being and mental health is really important for you, to keep you motivated, to keep you happy, to give you enough energy, and the most important thing is to make you creative. If you are not creative, I don't think you can do much, especially for teacher and parents. For students, you have always to keep pushing, and you see you got a lot of pressure on your shoulders, especially high level student, let's say A level or at uni. This is why mental health and well-being is really important. How you can do that? Just by doing some few physical activities daily, or basically 3 times a week. Go for a run, walk, go to the gym, do something nice, something funny. This is the tips I would recommend to do to help you to make progress and to love learning and to enjoy learning, basically making progress in your life. In future, I would try to break down these rules or these tips to help you more, but for now, try please to apply one of them and see the difference you can make in your life, especially right now if you start it now. I hope this video is help you to grasp more informations, and I'll speak to you soon in the next video. Speak soon.